Who have we got here? Let's see. We've got you. You the darker one or the paler one? I can't remember. Meow. With your little face, your little markings. I don't know if you've got a spot. Oh, there's the other one. There's the slightly paler one. There they are. There's a mum. I think you're a little bit bigger and maybe a little bit slightly different colour. Oh, wiggly. They don't live in the shed, they're just playing in the shed, aren't they? Come on! Come here, have you got a spotty tummy? I can't remember. A little bit. Let me see your face. Let me see your face. Yeah, you've got a bit of white, haven't you? And you're another boy, aren't you? Little spotty boy. You're really cheeky, you are. These two are having a little scrap. Jumping around. Aren't you? Having a little roll about.